Baby. Hi, Audrey. Hi. Audrey, pretty girl. What you doing? What you doing? Pretty girl. Pretty girl.
This is Garnier's first foam that nourishes while it colors. It's got avocado, olive, and shea oils. Nourished hair, better color, Meg. A fresher, brighter color. Gorgeous. Tweet goodbye.
Hey, baby. Hey.
You ever stop talking? New Nutrice Nourishing Color Foam. Nourished hair, better color. Garnier. Take care. I cook with Hillshire Farm Gourmet Creations because it's made with fresh peppers, mozzarella, and the best spices. Then I add it to this. Ta-da! Introducing Hillshire Farm Gourmet Creations. Real ingredients, real gourmet.
You're so cute. You're so cute, Audrey. Look at you. Look at you, girl. You're so pretty. Yeah. Mama, sweet girl.
Activated to prevent buildup of fine scale and hot water that causes toilet rings. The freshest way to keep a toilet clean. Flush after flush.